Hello, my name is Tony Baca. I'm the Vice President of Safety at Berglund Construction Company. Welcome to the Moody Bible Church Project. Some safety rules to talk about as you come on the job site. You're subcontractors, you're working for Berglund Construction Company, you've submitted safety plans to us stating that you're all going to follow the minimum OSHA requirements set forth by the Occupational Safety and Health Institute. Meaning, on our projects, we're going to work as safely as feasible. We do not want to have any injuries on this project. We want to work in unison and bring this job, this 50,000 square foot, 12-month cycle job in by February of 2018. As I come out on the job sites and do audits, I'll be looking at a lot of things, including the low-hanging fruits. Your hard hats, your safety glasses. These are not safety glasses, okay? Z87 shock-resistant safety glasses are these. Something hits you in the face, they don't shatter into your eyes. If I have to continuously correct you for wearing these type of glasses on the job sites, I will ask you to leave the project. Few things coming down the pipe, guys. This is a higher education facility. We are professional union contractors. We need to watch our conduct. We need to watch our language. We do not speak to the students. The owner-client has asked us to ask you politely not to speak to the students in any way, shape, or form. No harassment, no foul language. If so, you're terminated off the job right off the bat. We cannot tolerate that. Some other things coming down the pipe. If you're bringing a crane on the job site, you have to have a qualified signal person for the crane. I need a pick plan for the crane. Let's talk a little bit about housekeeping. It's not my responsibility to clean up your mess. Your housekeeping is your housekeeping. On the accident side of things, if we sustain an accident, my superintendent, Brian DeValk, my project manager will post in the trailer the closest clinic to the facility. That is up to you whether or not you want to use our clinic or not for your injuries. Your prerogative. If it's a serious injury, we're going to Northwestern Memorial Hospital. Within a 24-hour period, I want an accident report from you, from your contractor, stating what happened, what time it happened, and whether or not this individual is going to be a lost time and or a recordable injury. Moving forward, hearing protection, hard hat, safety glasses, PPE type things. I am speaking to you at about 60 decibels. OSHA tells me if I'm yelling at you from 3 feet away, that's typically above 85, 90 decibels, and my hearing protection is inadequate. If you're going to be chipping and grinding and making lots of noise, cutting ductwork, whatever the case might be, we expect for you to protect your ears. The way it's laid out per OSHA, a 25-year-old union carpenter has the hearing of a 50-year-old man. We've destroyed 50% of our hearing at a young age and we don't even realize it. Let's take care of our ears. Let's wear the proper PPE. In regard to parking, it is up to you where to park. Street parking is available. There is a parking garage nearby the project that Brian DeValk, our superintendent, can steer you to. If you're doing hot work on the project, we expect that you either fill out your hot work permit or ours. Let us know where you're doing the hot work. Submit that permit to us on a daily basis, not a weekly basis. What am I wearing here? A high-vis vest. We're taking this building up out of the ground. We've got equipment, backup alarms, deliveries, so on and so forth. We expect you to wear a high-vis vest, a high-vis shirt, a high-vis sweatshirt, something that's going to be able to help these delivery trucks and so on and so forth be able to see you better. Fall protection. OSHA states throughout the country, residential and commercial work, 6-foot fall rule. No ifs, ands, and buts. If you're on a leading edge, if you're standing over an excavation, if you're up on the roof standing on the edge of the building, guys, we need to protect ourselves. The number one killer in the construction industry is fall protection. There is no one disciplinary action, two disciplinary action, three you're terminated. If we find you putting yourself in harm's way, we may need to protect you from yourself and let you go from the job site. We are not going to tolerate not being tied off on this project. Weekly toolbox talks. Every week, preferably Monday morning, we would like for you to do a weekly safety toolbox talk with your crew and give us a copy of it on a weekly basis. If by chance we have an OSHA audit on the project, they'll say to us, how many subcontractors do you have on this job site? And I'm going to say 6. And they're going to say, you know what, give me their safety toolbox talks for the last 3 weeks. I need to provide these. This is something that you're already supposed to be doing relative to the work that you're performing on this job site. So working together in a safe manner, we can bring this job into completion by the end of February 2018. Do not be bashful when I come out on the job site to say hello. Reach out, shake my hand. We can share some stories. Let's work safely together on this project. Thank you for your time.